Go on and get the introduction. That's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Getting ready to bring y'all another banger video, bro. This one's gonna be a straight race right off the top because it's long already. So y'all already know, same video, different day, same day, different video. Y'all already know the yada yada yada. So we finna see what's going on. Turbo, hey, man, they trying to race Turbo, man. What's going on?
So what you want to do? I ain't got the time for it. Come on, get money, Chase.
That's what I'm saying. Come on, man.
I tell you right now, Safety Ones ain't doing no motherfucking racing, Jack. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? For real. Not for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? I ain't doing no racing.
That's that cancer in there.
I got a call. He said he don't care what it is. Anonymous, a grudge race. I ain't looked at his, he ain't gonna look at mine. I'm talking to the man.
Touch that man.
He don't want to do no thing. He want to do a roll.
Hell no, I ain't talking about
what?
Hell no.
Where it's at? On the side? We ain't got to call. If they ain't here, we can't talk. But he ain't up here, then we can talk. I might call. No, don't tell me nothing. I don't want to know nothing about the car. I don't care nothing about it.
No, I'm saying,
the money always right. The money always here. We ain't got no issues with that. What's up? But we talking about, hold on, we still with y'all too. Don't worry about it.
They ain't trying to do nothing, man.
Don't turn yours on.
Don't turn yours on. I'll turn mine on.
Don't turn nothing on.
Hold on, let me make the whole.
Oh, you right. That light's done. You said 300? That's what he said. You're not talking to me no more.
No, this is
He's driving.
Yeah, but they putting out the money.
He talking about 300. On what? A roll or a dig?
I told you I ain't running that bitch.
Hold on, a roll or a dig?
Either one. It don't matter.
No, it do matter.
That's
Then the number changes. Listen. You should know we not broke.
He said 500 on the road.
What number? Throw a number. Right, throw a number.
So, what y'all putting in or me?
I'm talking about the roll, the number.
So, on my end, 200.
Speed.
Oh, 40. I'm thinking price right now.
You gotta negotiate that. You talking about a 40 roll. What you putting up to?
I do 40 or 50.
He said he gotta go to the bank.
I gotta go in the bank. God damn it, he's something.
Where you trying to go?
Money. They talking about racing. We can race to go eat. Them two. Hold up. On the highway, they doing a roll. Hold up.
Do you hear me?
What, 4200?
4400?
4200? Like, what you saying?
He said $100, right? Yeah. He said $100. 40 to what?
I almost got a fucking ticket. Fuck that race.
What we doing?
The cop thought it was me.
40 to what? Just 40 to whoever
Oh, God. But shit, I smoked them hoes last night.
Hey,
I
say
can't tell
40 to whoever wins.
So, whoever wins.
how long the race.
So, like,
If somebody's in front, and I'm talking about pulling, that's race. No, do this. 40.
It gotta be a number.
It gotta come on. Hell, I matched the 100 too. Shit. I want to see the race too. I want the footage.
130.
You agree?
Yeah.
You agree?
But how much?
That's what I'm saying. Oh, it's good. Money good. How much? Oh, okay, that's good. Hey, it's good. I want to see this shit.
Where you park this?
Yeah, I got the yellow skin.
You can't vote me, but that motherfucker.
Hold on, so it's like this.
$70. Oh yeah, let's go.
What he pulling in? I gotta get this. Let's see what he running. Okay, 392. Little nigga, go on do your investigation on this thing.
It ain't shit in there.
It's stopped.
Y'all looking for nothing.
It's stopped.
So y'all agree
100.
40
40 to 130.
to 130. Who doing the honking? I'll tell you, I go in front of y'all and hit my hazard. The third hazard, y'all can go.
A 20-minute intermission.
You agree?
Do the first hazard, because somebody probably try to jump
Nah,
that third
you
one.
cheat.
I'm saying, they'll try to jump that third hazard.
Well, then that person.
Oh, okay,
Whoa,
I'm just saying.
y'all better talk.
Yeah, I'm saying.
If somebody jump that third hazard, they gotta pay. So we're gonna have somebody next to y'all, and I'm be in front of y'all. I'm just gonna turn my hazards off, and then y'all go on third. I can't control that, so don't say I'm cheating. It's Audi. They made it. I just push buttons. All right. You agree? So hey, who you ride next to him? Yeah. I will.
And I'm right next to him too, shit.
We need one from each side.
That's why I said I ride next to both of you. I ride next to
That's a bet.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. All right, man. So y'all see what's going on. We got a Camaro finna go against 392 Challenger on the channel real quick. So I'm finna bring that to y'all right now. I'm gonna try to be in it, but I'm gonna try to be back. So we finna go. What Lonzo at? Hey man, I'm gonna try to bring more videos like this to the channel. So they only got 100 on it. Both cars stock. Challenger versus Camaro. I got my money on the Camaro. I don't think old boy know how to pull. I don't think old boy know how to pull his stuff right. So we finna find out real quick. Y'all stay tuned.
3 hours later.
I'm trying to get a good feels eye view. And the police thing is steady going off. I know y'all hear it. All right, so it's this yellow one right here and that black Camaro that's in front of him. I'm gonna try to be on hit. What is Turbo doing? Man, they need to come on. Oh, I guess they waiting. Boy, them laws is beefing. Come on, God. Come on. Somebody got to go. He said on his third hazard. 2. Camaro for the win. Camaro for the win. Oh, look how much traffic we have, but we got everybody behind us, man. Bro, look how deep we is. We literally stopped traffic in the middle of traffic. Like I said, man, we pulled up for the race and shut down traffic. It was way more people than this. This is just what's left. This is what's just left. That's it, man. Camaro got the win, got his $100. Dang.